Hello everyone, welcome to our channel World of Social. Let's learn together. Today we are going to discuss about History Classics from NCERT books. Chapter 1: What, Where, How and When. Before starting about the chapter, we will discuss first of all what is history. History is the scientific series of past events or facts that is connected with humans. History is the series of all the events or facts that is related to humans. Its primary purpose is to stand at the center of diverse, tolerant, intellectually rigorous about our existence. History gives us the knowledge about the changes had happened over the year. All these changes are called chronological changes. History tells us about how we got freedom, how was the civilization earlier, how many wars had been done in the past, how the time period was that time. Now we will discuss about elements of history. These elements tell us about the development already had been done in our past, how we have grown up at this age. What? The kind of food people used to eat, the kind of clothes people used to wear, the kind of transport they used, the way of living, social and political life of earlier time, etc. All these analysis of past events and objectively determine the pattern of cause and effect that determine them. Where? The events which have happened in the past, where had happened? A place the people survived their life, an area the man and woman used to live and travel. Kingdom and their fighting, the area which were fertile, etc. All these elements are studied geographically. How? The ways to find out about the history, languages were used to communicate and write. The people who studies about the things made and used in the past. Life differ of king and queens from others and the cities were developed. When? The events which were happened in the past. The time period of events, time of ruler in the particular area ruled. When the cities and societies developed. Now we will discuss about the chapter. There are several things to come to know about the past. What people ate, type of clothes they wore, the type of houses they lived, the way of living of those people and their occupation, way of living the life, games played by children. People were skilled gatherers and were aware about the wealth of plants in the surrounding forest. The people were hunted the animals. You can see in the picture one man is hunting the wild pig. They started to grow crops such as wheat, barley about 8,000 years ago. Suleiman and Karthar hills are the example of that places. Along with the agriculture, people started rearing of animals like sheep, goat and cattle. Garo hills to the northeast and Vindhyas in the central India are the example of that. Here you can see Kartar and Suleiman hills, Garo hills, and these are the Vindhyas hills are the central part of India. These were the places where agriculture and animals rearing had been started. Now, some of the cities flourished about 4,700 years ago. About 2,500 years ago, cities developed again. The area along to the south of the Ganga was known as Magda, now lying in Bihar. The Magda rulers were very powerful and large kingdom. The people of that area The high hills and high mountains, deserts, rivers, and seas make their journey very difficult but never impossible. People traveled from one part to another subcontinent. They marched in armies to keep themselves safe from animals and other difficulties. Merchants traveled with caravan or ships carrying valuable goods from place to place. Some people traveled driven by a spirit of adventure, wanting to discover new exciting places. Rest of the chapter we will discuss in my next video. So waiting for my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye. Thank you.